Did you know that some of the best software out there is completely free? But be careful. Not all free programs are good. Some are slow, bloated, or even risky to use. But today, I'll show you 5 amazing free software tools that can replace expensive programs, and they actually work. Whether you're on Windows, Mac, or Linux, these tools will make your life easier. And the best part, they don't cost a dime. Before we dive in, if you love discovering great free software and tech tools, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. All right, let's get started with number 1. First up, we have Speccy. Have you ever needed to check your computer's specs but found the built-in system tools lacking? That's where Speccy comes in. It gives you a detailed breakdown of your system's hardware and software, making it super useful when upgrading your PC or troubleshooting issues. Speccy organizes everything neatly into expandable categories, like CPU, RAM, motherboard, and graphics. Plus, it even shows real-time temperatures for your hardware components. You can switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit in the settings, and even export your system's data for easier troubleshooting. Now, the only downside? Speccy is only available for Windows. While there is a paid version, the free version has everything most users need. Next up, we have a must-have media player that supports nearly every file format out there. You've probably heard of VLC Media Player, but if you haven't, let me tell you. This open-source powerhouse can play almost any video or audio file without needing additional codec packs. Remember the hassle of downloading the right codecs just to play a video? VLC makes that a thing of the past. It's also highly customizable. You can change its look and functionality by installing plugins. Just go to Tools greater than Plugins and Extensions, and you can tweak it to your liking. The only small limitation? It doesn't play Blu-ray discs. But other than that, it's an excellent media player that works on Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, and Android. Now let's talk about a fantastic alternative to Microsoft Office. If you need a free alternative to Microsoft Office, WPS Office is the perfect choice. Previously known as Kingsoft Office, WPS offers alternatives to Word, Excel, and PowerPoint with a similar interface to Microsoft's suite. Take a look. Here's the Word alternative, the Excel alternative, and the PowerPoint alternative. Pretty familiar, right? And the best part? It's fully compatible with Microsoft Office formats. You can also export your documents as PDFs directly from WPS Office. One small drawback? It's ad-supported, but the ads aren't too intrusive. WPS Office is available on Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, and iOS. Next, we have an incredible free tool for image editing and graphic design. Looking for a free alternative to Photoshop? Meet GIMP, the GNU Image Manipulation Program. It offers powerful features like layers, masks, transformations, and more, all without a hefty price tag. Starting a new project is easy. Just go to File greater than New, choose your dimensions, and click OK. Yes, GIMP can be a bit overwhelming at first, but once you get used to it, it's an amazing tool for both beginners and professionals. GIMP works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. And now let's talk about the ultimate time saver when setting up a new computer. Last but not least, we have Ninite, a game changer when it comes to installing and updating multiple programs at once. Instead of manually installing apps one by one, Ninite does it all for you in a single click. Here's how it works. Go to the Ninite website, select the programs you want, and download your custom installer. When you run it, Ninite installs everything in the background, without any annoying toolbars or bloatware. It even detects whether you need the 32-bit or 64-bit version automatically. And the best part? You can use the same installer file to update your programs later. Just run it again, and Ninite will update everything in one go. Now, a heads up, Ninite is only available for Windows. Sadly, Linux support has been discontinued. But if you're on Windows, this tool is a must-have. And there you have it, 5 fantastic free software tools that can replace expensive programs. Which one is your favorite? Or do you have another great free tool that we should feature? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest software recommendations. Links to all the software mentioned are in the description below. Check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.